how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Chime. So if you want to withdraw here on the official website, we can see that you can use a withdrawal method that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePick account. To request a withdrawal, if we are using the app, we need to navigate to the menu located in the top left of the app. And if we're accessing it on a browser like I'm here, you will need to go into the top right corner and you will choose request withdrawal. So if you're using the browser, you will just click on your name here and we will select a request withdrawal. If you have money added to your account here, you can request your withdrawal and afterwards you will receive a one-time password code by email. As soon as you request your withdrawal, no further action is going to be needed on your part and you'll receive an email whether your withdrawal was successful or not. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.